Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're presenting the Drio Hack 008S Portable Air Conditioner 318S. The link to this product is available in the description. Let's dive in. The Drio DR Hack 008S is a 3 inches 1 portable air conditioner rated at 8,000 British thermal units ASHRAE, with cool, fan, and dry modes. The standout feature of this model is its patented self-evaporating system. Using a proprietary algorithm, built-in sensors, and a pump, condensed water is automatically evaporated without requiring manual drainage in environments with humidity below 90%. A drain hose is included for environments exceeding that threshold. Beyond the 3 main modes, each mode offers 3 sub-functions to fine-tune the unit's operation for every scenario. Noise is reduced to just 45 decibels through compressor and turbulence noise reduction, making it suitable for sleep and focused work environments. Control is available through the Drio app to monitor temperature and humidity in real time, customize a sleep curve, and adjust all settings remotely. Voice control is compatible with Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. A physical remote is also included. That concludes our presentation of the Drio DR Hack 008S. The product link is available in the description. Hit like if this was helpful, subscribe for more, and see you very soon.